Hey, let's dive into this explainer on the smart money order. Most people totally ignore this. Seriously, it's crazy to celebrate a 10% market gain while losing 22% to debt. That's literally like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Keeping your money is actually the crucial part. People think millionaires just start out by chasing Bitcoin or trendy AI stocks. Nope, they really don't.
Okay, step one, you've got to build an unbreakable foundation. And that starts with a solid emergency fund.
Because, look, life happens. Without savings, you'll have to sell off investments at the absolute worst times. The goal here? Save up 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's pure insurance for you.
Right, so with that foundation set, step two is aggressively wiping out all your high interest debt.
Credit cards often charge 20% or more. No investment beats that kind of guaranteed loss, ever. Paying off expensive debt is literally a risk-free return. You have to stop the bleeding first. Moving on, step 3 is a huge advantage. Always snag your employer's retirement match if offered. You put in $100, they instantly match it. Honestly, it's free money and an unbeatable return. Now that the basics are covered, step 4 is to start investing consistently for the long haul. Patient folks using diversified index funds historically crush those who constantly buy and sell trying to predict winners. See, successful investing isn't about thrills or chasing fads. It's entirely about disciplined, boring consistency. Finally, step 5. Only now should you explore high-risk investments, like individual stocks or maybe crypto. Sure, these assets can create massive wealth, but remember, you never build a house starting with the roof. This exact 5-step order is the incredibly effective formula wealthy people are quietly following every single day. Most people waste years chasing shortcuts. The real difference between success and failure isn't luck, it's the order. So, look honestly at your finances. Is your house on a strong foundation, or are you starting up